Hi, I'm Johir from Johir's English Care. One of the most important things today I gonna teach you here, and especially most of the students are waiting for my lesson for my class. In a different way, they have sent me so many SMS, and I have guessed, I have realized, yes, of course, I need to give the importance on that class. So, however, everything has the important ideas, important thoughts. So when we speak a language, of course we need to give the importance on accuracy, and of course we should speak correctly. That would be our target. So however, I want to make sure subject agrees with the verb. If we have a singular subject, of course we make sure singular verb. If we have a plural subject, of course we want to make sure a plural verb. I mean, there is no doubt. Undoubtedly, we got the point. Okay, most of the time, most of the students are confused in using singular subject and plural subject, because that depends on singular verb and singular, and plural verb. So this is something that you learn, or we all learn. And one thing is that we can, or which can cause a lot of confusion, which can cause a lot of problem when we use two types of subject, singular subject and plural subject. So most of the time the words are indefinite or indefinite pronoun demands two types of subject, singular subject and plural subject. So nothing to be worried. Let's have a look and look at the whiteboard, please. I have already arranged such a class in a different way, and very smartly and with the fun. Okay, we are going to learn something else from this class with the fun. Indefinite pronoun, and that's divided into three ways. Did you get my point? Of course you are looking at the whiteboard. And right now, first of all, I would like to introduce first one, that is singular subject. Second one, that is plural subject. Sometimes singular subject is always singular subject, sometimes plural subject is always plural subject, and sometimes the subject is divided into two ways. I mean, subject can be used in two ways. First one is singular subject, second one is plural subject. I mean, the one thing is that when I'm going to use some of the indefinite pronoun, most of the indefinite pronoun can be used into two ways, as the singular subject and as the plural subject. So my dear, look at that. I have arranged to understand this singular subject, that is always singular. We can never apply these words or these indefinite pronouns. We can never use this indefinite pronouns as the plural subject. That will be used only as the singular subject. So that's our everybody, everyone, everything, somebody, anybody, or someone, anyone, nobody, each, every, much. They are used, I mean, all over the words, all over the indefinite pronoun or pronouns are used as the singular subject always. Okay, next one, some of the plural subject are used always as the plural subject. They are some of the indefinite pronoun. They are both, several, few, many, others. So both are my friends. Several ideas are known to us. Few students are coming to the class. Many mangoes. I like many mangoes. Many mangoes are tasty or sweet. Others are tasty. Okay, they are plural, only plural. So indefinite pronoun can be used into two ways. Sometimes they are singular and plural. That is one of the confusions that makes us so confused. So this is why this is so important thing, and we need to give the importance on that. Those who are college going or school going or university going students, every student, or also those who are job seekers, they have a question and they have to answer these questions. So that is so confused. That makes us so confused, because these indefinite or indefinite pronouns can be used into two ways. Sometimes that is used that is used as the singular subject, sometimes that is used as the plural subject. So let's have a look, and right now I'm going to teach you here practically. There are so many examples, and if we apply all of the examples, I make sure you can be clear, or you can get the lesson very clearly. Okay, let's have a look. And of course, I request you all, those who watching my video, please answer these questions and try to answer some of the information. And also there is a word that is indefinite pronoun. Which one is that? Some. So where is some? Is it in singular subject, or is it in plural subject, or is it in singular and plural subject? Yes, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh yeah, I got it. That is some. Okay, some of the information. Some of the information dash important. It's okay. Which one is correct? From am is are, we can apply here. From am is are, am is are, that is be verb, that is be verb, or was were, that's not a problem. But my question is that which one is singular, or does the subject takes okay, singular verb depends on singular subject, and plural it's okay, singular subject depends on singular verb, or singular verb depends on singular subject, plural verb depends on plural subject. There is no doubt. Okay, some of the information, there is a sum, and I have already written here singular or plural. The indefinite pronoun can be used into two ways, singular as the singular subject and as the plural subject. So some of the information, could you please tell me, does the information singular subject or plural, is the information singular subject or plural subject? Of course, you got the point, that is singular subject. There is another example. Okay, before going to that, I would like to make sure that some of the information, so will it be singular or plural? That can be used into two ways, singular subject as the singular subject and as the plural subject. But my question is that some of the information, is it singular or plural? Which verb will it take? Of course, some of the information is singular subject, that's why that will take singular verb, that is is. Thank you very much. Some of the information is important. Next one, most of the pen. So most, where is the most? Oh fine, most here, most is here. Most can be used into two ways, because that is an indefinite pronoun, but it can be used into two ways, singular subject and plural subject. So however, most. So now this is time for understanding the lesson. Most of the pen or most of the pens, if it becomes singular subject after most or after indefinite pronoun, of course that will be singular verb. If it becomes, or if it gets plural subject, that will be plural verb. It's very clear. Okay, most of the pen is writing well or are writing well. Yes, you are right, is writing well, because that is singular subject. Most of the pens, is this singular or plural noun? Of course you got the point, that's plural noun. Okay, most of the pens are writing well, you are right. Third one, all of the fruit, we like fruit, and we know that is so delicious, that is so nutritious. Okay, all of the fruit dash nutritious is this. Where is all? Yes, there is all. Okay, all of the fruit is nutritious or are nutritious, that depends on singular or plural subject. So is it singular subject? Yes, you are right, all of the fruit is nutritious. All of the fruit or fruits, of course that is plural subject. So I must say here, all of the fruits are nutritious or delicious. Next one, some of the instructions. Where is some? Oh yeah, some is here. That can be used into two ways, singular and plural subject. Okay, some of the instruction, if it gets singular subject, of course verb will be singular. If it gets plural subject, of course verb will be plural. So some of the instructions is helpful or are helpful. Yes, you are absolutely right. I think you got the answer. Some of the instructions are helpful. Thank you very much. I hope you all have understood this lesson. I was trying my level best to make you clear this lesson so that you can be able to remove the confusion between singular and plural subject, because that is so confused for us. But which is used only as the singular subject, that is not our confusion. Which is used only as the plural subject, that is not our confusion. But sometimes in the indefinite pronoun, some of the indefinite pronoun can be used into two ways, as the singular subject and as the plural subject. That's why I have arranged some of the examples. So thank you. I hope you will keep me in your prayer, you will keep me in your trust, so that I can come back to continue any other new lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.